A well-laid fiberglass roofing system should last for over 25 years. At Glass Fibre Specialists, we make sure that all your roofing details are done correctly. This may take a bit more time, but the end result is a far superior and lasts longer than your average glass fibre roof. We have been installing glass fibre roofing systems since 1988. A fiberglass roof is suitable for most applications, including extensions, dormers, porches, balconies and walkways. It can be any colour or shape and can incorporate a non-slip finish if required. Our other in-situ applications include pond lining and valley gutter lining. We also install other fiberglass weathering, flashing and various other waterproofing details and can install imitation lead work with no scrap value. We don't use contractors and are a small company that has great pride in our superior workmanship and finish. All our work carries an insurance-backed guarantee if requested. If you need help with a project or require a free quotation, please give us a call today on 01633 223 371 or visit our website at www.glassfibrespecialists.co.uk.